Hello everyone, and welcome to Electric's Lab. This is the first video in our Raspberry Pi series. Today, I'll cover how to install Raspbian OS on the Raspberry Pi 02W and how to interface it using the VNC protocol. Let's build our Raspberry Pi board. I'll also introduce upcoming videos that will explore Raspberry Pi topics like GPIO, camera integration, machine learning, motor control, home automation, and much more, so stay tuned. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Raspberry Pi Imager on our PC. You can download it from the link in the description. Run the program. Select your Raspberry Pi board. I'll be selecting the Raspberry Pi 02W. Next, choose the OS you want to install, then select your memory card. Be sure to select the correct storage device to avoid any issues. Once that's done, click Edit Settings. Here, you can create a username and password. Provide your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Enable the SSH protocol. Now, write the OS to the memory card. This may take a little while. Once it's complete, eject the card and insert it into your Raspberry Pi board. Power up the board, and you should see the green LED blinking. Let's check if it's connected to the router. It's connected successfully. Next, open the Putty software and enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. You can find this in your router settings. Log into your Raspberry Pi using SSH with the username and password you just set up. Once logged in, let's open the configuration terminal. First, update the package list. Then go to the Interfaces tab and enable the VNC protocol. Now, open the RealVNC Viewer software. You can download it from the link in the description. Enter your Pi's IP address, along with the username and password. You're all set. You can now interface with your Raspberry Pi using VNC, which is one of the easiest ways to control it remotely. Just a bit about the hardware. The Raspberry Pi 02W features a quad-core 64-bit ARM Cortex-A53 processor clocked at 1 GHz, along with 512 MB of SD RAM. If any error occurs, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Electrics Lab and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative Raspberry Pi tutorials.